You know, sometimes I just do that just for fun too. This time, honestly. Actually, I don't ever do it on purpose. I'm sorry, Jonah. I, again, give him like a 2 seconds heads up before I get him to come on. I want to talk a little bit about some 12 unexpected ways to boost your self-confidence. These are some things that I looked up on lifehack.org. It's a cool little website that tells you everything from fitness to self-esteem to health to relationships to even work. It's one of those good sites that I feel is filled with good information. Well, some of the suggestions that it does is saying, first, look good. Now, I'm not talking just appearance-wise, wearing the latest trends or having the right hair or makeup. I'm talking about being comfortable in the clothes that you are wearing. If you're wearing something uncomfortable, too big, too small, whatever it is, it's not going to make you feel confident in who you are. So if you're wearing something you're comfortable in, that will therefore boost your confidence enough to make you feel like you are looking good. So that's one thing to consider. Another thing, smile in the mirror. What I love about this is that you're actually making yourself see yourself in a positive way. Making yourself smile releases some of those good chemicals in your brains that reminds you that, you know, there's positivity in your life and you should be looking forward to some of those things. Another thing, change your body language. If you're sitting up straight, if your eyes are focused, if you again smile, if you are open in your body language, that is therefore going to transform the way that you think, some of the thoughts that you have about yourself, maybe even your surrounding area. All of those things are going to be related to the way that you're holding yourself, carrying yourself, the way that you walk, even the way that you talk. Think positive. Again, some of these are really good thoughts to have in your mind because thoughts have such a huge influence in the way that we behave and the way that we view ourselves. So think positive. Kill negative thoughts. Again, the same thing. Don't allow them to take control of your behavior. Another thing, learn to accept failures. This one's huge, guys, because we all have failures. We all make mistakes. We all do things that we look back and say, seriously, what was I thinking? I do that at least once a day. I do something silly, and then I think, why did I do that? And I get a little embarrassed. But you know what? We all make mistakes. And once we realize that and accept that, it's going to be much easier to feel good about who we are. There's a few more. Practice proficiency. The better you are at that, the more confident you feel. Avoid perfectionism. That's another thing. We'll never be perfect in this world. It's just not possible, in fact. And celebrate your achievements. Knowing that you are not being cocky or arrogant, but instead saying, you know what, I can actually pat myself on my back because I know that I worked hard and I deserve the acknowledgement that I did something well. That again is not arrogance. That's instead saying, you know what, I did something well, so let's celebrate that. You can check out more of those things from lifehack.org. It's a great site for you to check out just some of those encouraging words. But know ultimately that you have been created for a reason and that there is a God who wants a relationship with you. When you have that foundation, you will feel good about yourself. It's inevitable. That doesn't mean you won't make mistakes, and that doesn't mean that you won't have bad days, because that's naturally going to happen. But when you know that there's someone that loves you, that's in control of everything in your life, that's gonna make all the difference in the way that you view your world. So again, take some time, smile in the mirror, take control of those negative thoughts, think positive thoughts, wear something you're comfortable in, and allow your body language to speak for you, even in those times you're not confident. So again, I hope that was wisdom. Join us again, stay tuned. We have more stuff coming up.